Hello everyone. Today I am telling about the advantages of autoclave. Advantages and disadvantages. Autoclave is a moisture sterilization. This is very important for the sterilization purpose. But there are some advantages mean positive points, and there are some disadvantages means negative points are available. So what is the advantages part? Autoclaving destroys the microorganisms more efficiently than dry heat sterilization. Everyone knows that dry heat means hot air oven, and hence the material is exposed to a lower temperature for a shorter period. Okay. Another point is it is used for the sterilization of a large number of official injections. Actually, bulk type of products should be sterilized, or they are easily sterilized by the autoclave, and equipments a part of rubber and plastic such as nylon and PVC and withstand the temperature and the pressure required for the sterilization. Every plastics are not suitable for the sterilization of autoclave. Exceptional part is plastic, nylon, plastics. Exceptional plastic is a nylon and PVC polyvinyl chloride. Okay, and a large quantity of material can be sterilized in one batch using a big autoclave, and temperature should be greater than 100 degrees centigrade, therefore spores are killed. When the temperature will be increased the 100 degrees centigrade, from 100 degrees centigrade, then the spore of microorganisms are destroyed. That's why moisture sterilization, working of the autoclave is very effective for the sterilization purpose. And condensation of the steam generates extra heat. Okay, the condensation also allows the steam to penetrate rapidly into porous materials. Actually, this due to this condensation steam, the penetration power of the autoclave is high. When you will place any type of sterilized materials into the autoclave, then the steam is easily penetrate to the materials, and the spore of microorganisms are totally destroyed. Okay, so penetration power of the autoclave is high. Actually, this steam is easily penetrate to the cell of the microorganism, so that's why the spore of microorganism are totally destroyed. Low investment cost, low operating cost, and easy of the quality control, limited environmental hazard, widely accepted technology exactly, and short efficient process, obviously most rapid and effective process. This is most important part, and effective for sterilizing cloth, surgical packs, and towel packs. And in a sterilizer supplied with dry saturated steam, porous material can be sterilized without damage. Okay, so this is also very important part. And then disadvantages. What is the disadvantages of the autoclave? It is unsuitable for sterilization of powders and oils. They are called anhydrous materials. That means it is not suitable for the anhydrous material, and it cannot be used for sterilization of injections and articles such as plastic, which gets spoiled at 115 to 116 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. This type of condition is not suitable for the autoclave. And moisture retention and carbon steel can get damaged due to moisture exposure. Only stainless steel instruments and plastics which can be bear the heat, the sterilization. So this is the big disadvantages. And corrosion of carbon steel instrument. Actually, carbon steel instrument is not used. If you will use the carbon steel instrument, that time the corrosion will be created, and possibly destruction of heat sensitive instruments, obviously. And it cannot be used for sterilization of injection articles such as already I told plastic, which gets spoiled at 115 to 116 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. And you will choose the plastic, then exceptional part nylon and PVC. Without nylon and PVC, any type of plastics are not sterilized at this condition. Okay, and there is a limitation on particle size which depends upon the autoclave size, part size on the depend. Actually, which materials, their size depends on the size of the autoclaves. Okay, so next point is there is a it is a costly techniques for composite processing exactly, and rate of production is low and skilled labor is required in this process. So this is the disadvantages part. Disadvantages part is very important for autoclave, but some advantages parts are also important for autoclave.